Hello, happy Wellness Wednesday. Today we are sharing this cool lightsaber. And this can be used as a foam roller as well. And when we're foam rolling for our legs, we're going to start with our hamstrings and start higher by our glutes. So into my where I sit, my sit bones, and then I'm going to work down slowly towards my knee, trying to stay in the middle. Then I can go more on the inside, and then I can go more on the outside, doing about 3 or 4 rolls in each position. Again, as I want to increase the tension or pressure on my leg, I straighten my knee. I tee my hand area. Then I can get more focused on the IT band or adductor muscles based on where I go next. So I'm going to go to the inside muscle groups, focusing on the inside muscles of my thigh. And then I'm going to go to the outside muscles of my thigh by completely going over here. So again, good blood flow and also a way to compress, spread out fascia. And then the front muscles would be the quads. That's where you get into hip flexor and some of those. Also a pretty good one to focus on. So you can go one leg here, here, work right on that area. Again, if you bend in this position, that's going to put more tension on that muscle. Work through that area. So that's foam rolling. Believe it or not, these are located around the middle. All right. Thank you very much. Happy Wellness Wednesday.